Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a Weebly blog to another Weebly site. This is incredibly useful if you've reorganized your content or want to guide your audience to a new location without losing traffic or creating broken links. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now look at the left side menu where you'll see various options. Click on Website, and directly underneath that option, you'll see Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. At this point, you'll need to choose which website you want to work with from your list of sites. Once you've selected the appropriate site, look towards the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you into the editor page of your website where you can make all the necessary changes from the top menu of the editor. Locate and select Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your site. On the left side menu within Settings, find the option labeled SEO and click it. The SEO section is where you'll manage search engine optimization features, including redirects. In the SEO section, locate the 301 redirects area and click on Add Redirect. This feature allows you to create permanent redirects from old URLs to new destinations, which is exactly what we need for redirecting your blog. A form will appear where you'll enter the redirect details. In the old URL field, click Add Redirect to begin. Now, in the old URL field, type the relative address of your existing blog page. For example, if your blog is located at /blog or a specific post like /blog-post, enter that exact path here. Make sure you include the / at the beginning. Next, move to the destination page field. This is where you'll select the page you want your visitors to be redirected to. Use the drop-down menu to choose the appropriate page from your Weebly site. This could be a new blog location, a different page, or even your homepage, depending on your goals. Finally, click Save to add the redirect. This action activates the redirect immediately, meaning anyone who visits the old blog URL will now be automatically sent to the new destination you specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up a redirect from your Weebly blog to another page on your Weebly site. This ensures your visitors always land in the right place, even if they're using old links or bookmarks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.